Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and for today's makeup look, I said, why don't we try a traditional goth makeup look, but make it pink. So this look is in the style of a traditional goth makeup look, but with pink and purple. To start this look, I'm using the About Face liquid eyeshadow in this kind of purple burgundy shade, and sort of making this extended cut crease area around the eye and nose area. Then adding more color underneath the cut crease and extending that to the rest of the eye. Next, I'm using the About Face liquid red eyeshadow and putting this underneath the cut crease and starting to blend down. Then blending in a little bit more of that purple shade closer to the cut crease. Then using the Juvia's Place Berries palette for the burgundy shade and using this on the outer corners. Then using the Violets palette, I'm using this dark purple shade and deepening the color on the outer corners. Then making the inner eye cut crease darker as well. Then using the Berries palette again, I'm using the sparkly lighter pink shade and putting this in the middle of the eye. Here I'm removing a little bit of the eyeshadow, creating sort of a half oval-like shape. And then I'm creating a inner eye wing, sort of like a cat eye. And for this I'm using the same purple liquid eyeshadow shade. Then using that same color along the bottom waterline, connecting it to the outer corners. Then filling in the bottom waterline with white eyeliner. And then filling in that sort of empty space that we created in between the wing and the cut crease. And that completes this traditional goth style makeup look made with pink and purple. I thought it'd be interesting to make this sort of style of makeup with colors instead of normal kind of black and white, creating a really bold and dramatic look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.